Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious shrimp and sausage green banana salad. But guys, don't forget to show me some love by clicking on that red subscription button. Give me a big thumbs up and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. So guys, let's jump straight into the video. So here are the ingredients I'll be needing. Here I have some chopped celery, red and yellow bell peppers, some radish and red onion, and I have my green banana already boiled, and I'll give you details on how I do this. And here I have some green peas and mixed veg. I have my sausage, and I have my shrimp. And over here I have some mayo and honey mustard. And I have some fresh cilantro and some black pepper. So I start off by peeling, well, not peeling, well, I'm going to slice the banana and then I'm going to boil them in the skin. This way it peels easier and you have less stain to work with. So as I'm doing here, I'm just going to slice and boil in salted water. So here I'm salting the water and I'm going to boil these until tender, which should take anywhere from about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the banana. And I'm going to go ahead and remove from the hot water, and I'm going to run some cold water over this, and I'm going to let it sit and come to room temp before slicing. So here I'm going to go ahead, remove the skin, and I'm going to dice the banana. Here you could dice it however you like. If you like chunks, you like rounds, the option is yours. You just go ahead and dice it the way you like it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place this in a bowl and move on to the next step. So here I have some red onion, some radish, and my bell peppers and celery. Truthfully, you could add whatever mix and array of vegetables you like. You could add some green bell peppers, any crunchy, nice, fresh vegetables you want to add, you could go ahead and add them. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these up into bite-sized pieces. Now that I'm done with all my mise en place, let's move on. So here I have some Cajun seasoning and Old Bay seasoning. I'm just going to season this lightly. I don't want to overpour it. The Old Bay has salt and the Cajun seasoning has salt. And I'm just going to marinate this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut up my sausage. You could use any sausage of choice. Here I'll be using some venison sausage because I have this on hand. And guys, don't feel you have to use any fancy sausage. Any sausage you have, you could use. If you have some frankfurter, some hot dog, go ahead and use that as well. Now in my cast iron where I have some oil, I'm just going to go ahead and brown these up. I want them to be nice and crispy, so I'm just going to go ahead and brown these until they're nice and crispy. Now this is the texture I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook my shrimp. Now I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 5 minutes in total, 2.5 minutes on each side. We just want to make sure that it's fully cooked. We don't want to overcook them. Once they're fully cooked, that's it. And I'm going to remove them from the pan and allow them to cool down a bit, because I'm making a salad and my salad is a cold salad. So I'm going to allow it to come to room temp a little bit, where I can handle to cut it into smaller pieces. Now that everything is done and my sausage was sitting and cooling, and now it's time to assemble and my shrimp. Now I'm going to go ahead and assemble. So to my big mixing bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and add everything. The mixed veg, the green peas, the banana, everything that I have here that I've prepped. I'm just going to go ahead, add it in a big mixing bowl, and I'm going to toss these, and I'm going to add my mayonnaise and my honey mustard. And guys, this salad is just as simple as that. You could substitute whatever you don't like with whatever you do like. And guys, you don't want to overpower this salad with too much flavoring. Simple is always best sometimes. So I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper to taste. And guys, this is perfect. This could be a side dish, it could be an entire meal, it could be whatever you want it to be. And it's also perfect for parties. If you have reached this far, guys, you could show me some support by just clicking on that subscription button and that thumbs up button, and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. Now guys, this is what my salad been looking like. Let me tell you, it was super duper tasty. It was awesome. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and if you would try this recipe. And if you try this recipe, tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see how yours turned out. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.